What if I told you the greatest prison in the world is not made of walls, but of opinions? Lao Tzu once warned, "Care about people's approval, and you will be their prisoner." Think about it. How many dreams have died because someone feared being judged? How many warriors never raised their sword because of whispers in the crowd? We live in a world today where a single comment on social media can destroy confidence, where the glance of a stranger can make us question our worth. And yet, over 2,500 years ago, Lao Tzu already saw this sickness of the human heart. He knew men and women would chain themselves, not with iron shackles, but with the invisible weight of other people's thoughts. But here's the truth. Those chains can be broken. And Taoism reveals 7 powerful ways to stop caring and to finally walk free. But what are they? And why do so few ever practice them? Lao Tzu did not simply give us philosophy. He gave us a map, a way of living, a path of liberation. Stay with me, because once you understand these 7 truths, the opinions of others will no longer control you. Instead, you will control yourself. Imagine a lone warrior on the battlefield. His enemies do not strike with steel, but with laughter, with gossip, with ridicule. You will fail. You are nothing. The words rain down like arrows. But the warrior does not answer with anger. He closes his eyes. He remembers Lao Tzu's first lesson. Silence is a source of great strength. He walks forward, calm as the mountain, untouchable by noise. The second lesson follows. When you accept yourself, the whole world accepts you. The warrior realizes approval is meaningless if he has already given approval to his own soul. Then comes the third lesson. Care about what others think, and you will always be their prisoner. The warrior drops his chains. He is free. But here is the shocking part. The moment he stops caring, their power vanishes. Their words, once sharp as blades, now fall harmless, like snow melting on stone. But the Tao does not end here. The fourth lesson whispers, "Be like water." Water does not argue with rock. It flows around it. Why waste energy fighting opinions? Flow past them untouched. The fifth lesson. Those who know themselves do not need approval. Purpose is stronger than gossip. A man on his path does not stop to argue with every voice along the road. The sixth. Comparison is the thief of peace. Look not at others, for their journey is theirs alone. And finally, the seventh. Trust the Tao. Trust that life has its balance, that your worth was written before anyone ever judged you. The true battle was never against others. It was always against the fear within. And here lies the great twist. The less you try to force the world to approve of you, the more the world begins to respect you. It is in letting go that power is found. So remember the 7 ways. Accept yourself, value silence, let go of judgment, flow like water, live with purpose, avoid comparison, and trust the Tao. Lao Tzu's voice still echoes. When you let go of what others think, you become unstoppable. That is not just philosophy, that is freedom. Walk this path with me, not for likes, not for applause, but for mastery. The next lesson awaits. Will you step into it?